In this video, I'm going to show you a really neat trick. I have a demo page. It's called a real estate company demo. And when people visit your page, I'd have a number of posts on this page. And you'll see here that if I scroll down, there's lots of number of posts. I just put some pictures up, pretending that it's a real site, a real Facebook page. But if somebody makes a comment on one of your posts, as you know, we can set it up so that it does an automatic reply. And if you have a 1,000 posts, this is it's a lot of work to set up 1,000 different replies to that. I'm just going to change the user so it looks like a real user here. Say it to myself and make a comment. Great house. Looks great. Should I get it? Okay, so you'll notice that there's no reply. There's no automatic reply. So if you're a real estate agent or you're set up Facebook pages for real estate agents, you can do some really neat tricks with Social Chat. And you notice that there's nothing happening. There's no reply, and people just make comments and so forth. Now, we showed you in an earlier video with the auto reply that you can go to each post and set up an automatic reply and a private reply to each of your posts. But here's the thing, if you have 1,000 posts on your Facebook page, that is a lot of work to do that individually. So we have something called the full page reply, where it can have a generic response to every one of your posts. So no matter, if you have like I said, if you have 100 or 1,000 posts, you can do it. You can do all of them within a matter of minutes and setting it up. So that's what I'm going to show you. You can do all of them within a matter of minutes and setting it up. So that's what I'm going to show you. So you go to Automatic Campaign in your comment automation. We're going to pick the page, Real Estate Company Demo. And we're going to go, you see here on the right hand side, this is all the latest posts, and we can do it individually by enabling the auto reply. You just click on this little windspiel here, and that's the individual post, so we can do it individually. Well, that's a lot of work if you have a whole bunch of them. But there's a feature called the full page campaign, and it has a comment and inbox reply, and also auto like and share, and I'll do that in another video. That's a cool feature. But to do the full page campaign, you click on Enable Full Page Reply, and we're just going to walk through this here. What do you want to do about offensive comments? Sometimes there's people, do some hate stuff on your Facebook pages. Maybe they're offensive. Maybe they're competitors, and so you can choose to hide their comments, or you can choose to delete their comments. And so you put all the keywords in here. You can put your competitors' keywords, so if the competitor puts some, starts trying to steal the people on your page, you can make it so that they cannot even comment on your Facebook page posts. And so you put your competitors' keywords here, or maybe there's any offensive keywords you can add, put them all right there, separated by a comma, and it'll either hide them or delete them. And also you can send them a private reply. So if anybody with these bad keywords makes a comment, you can send them a private message saying to knock it off. Next is, what do you want to do when people make a comment? You'll notice that if somebody makes a comment and they make a second comment on another post, you can have it so that they only receive a reply once. Or if they are making multiple comments, it'll send them a message every time that they make a comment. Sometimes people make 5 or 6, 10 comments on your posts. And so, do I want to send it multiple times? Yes or no? Do I want to enable comment reply? Now, the reason why you would turn that off, okay, is that if you only want to send them a private reply only. Sometimes people make a comment on your post, and you can send them a private reply only. And that's okay, instead of making it publicly. Now this is what you can, so that's what you can do. Instead of making a comment reply, you can just do a private reply only by turning that feature off. So we're gonna turn it on for our demo. Okay, so let's head back there. So do you want to like it on the comment page? Yes, we're going to auto like it. Do you want to hide the comments after the comment reply? So once it gives a reply, you can make it so that it hides the comment afterwards as well. Okay, so next is we can do a generic message for all, or we can send a message by filtering keywords. So if somebody makes a comment and uses the word house or household, we can have a certain reply just for anybody that types that keyword. So it's keyword triggered on this filtering thing. So you can put all your keywords right there, and then make your message below. And anybody that uses those keywords in a comment, it'll trigger that reply. Cool feature. And I'm just going to do the generic message for all for this demonstration. And you just put a campaign name for your purposes. Okay. And you just put that in there. Real estate page, full reply. And here you can use spin syntax, and there's a syntax that you can use. So it doesn't look like doing the same message multiple times. You can have a great spin syntax. So thanks, first name, and I'll do a comma. Thanks for your comment. I can't type here. I sent a PM. Okay. Now you can upload an image. Now this is really cool. You can also reply with an image and also with a video. And you can put the link right here. Okay. So I'm going to grab an image. I'm going to use that one right there here for the comments. That's a cool one. I'll show you what it looks like. It's a pretty cool response. So it's going to auto reply with an image. Okay, so that's the one here for the comments. That's just something funny, right? Okay. So it's going to say, hey, I sent you a PM. Thanks for the comment. I'm here for the comments. And also you can send them a private reply. It says, I sent you a private message. So you set up the private message right here. And you can do a maximum of 2 replies in that private message. I'll show you what I mean. So you can select a private message if you already have one, or you can click on the little button that says Add Message Template. So this is where you add your private message, your PM, and you can just title it, template name, real estate, full page, reply, private response, or private reply. You can do a postback ID. I'll just put real estate, full page, or private reply. There you go. All right. Now you can also choose labels, so you can tag them. So if they're a lead or follow up, whatever, you can create labels, and also you can set them up on a drip campaign, like 1 message a day, what have you. Here's your reply 1. Remember earlier it says you can set up 2 replies. So this is the first one, reply 1. I'm going to enable it so it looks like there's somebody that's typing, and also I'm going to delay it by 10 seconds. So it doesn't look like somebody's replying right away. As soon as they make a comment, it's going to delay it by 10 seconds for a private reply. And it says, thanks for the comment. I got something to show you. But first, let me go again here. I got something great. I got some great properties to show you. But first, and then this is the second reply. Remember, you can only do 2 replies. But first, I enable it. I'm going to delay this one by 2 seconds. And I'm just going to say, can I get Can you confirm your email address or your phone number? Yeah. Can I confirm your email address? And I'll send, I can't type, and I'll send you some great listing. And after some research, geez, I can't type again, can't type based on your needs. Okay, great. Below. And then I'll do the quick reply for their email address. Okay, so I'll click on submit. There you go, like that. That's a success. And then you refresh. There, so that's the private reply right there, okay? There. So click on save. And that's all set up for the full page. All right. So now we're going to head over to Facebook as I'm going to log in as a different user. So it looks like it's a real situation. And we're going to scroll. I'm logged in as Gingy Crush. My son set that up a long time ago. So I'm set up, logged in as a different user. And I'm going to visit one of the posts and I'm just going to make a comment. Okay. And I'm Gingy Crush. That's the signed in as. And now let's see how it works here. That's a nice looking house. I'm interested in that. Okay, so watch. It's going to send a private reply. It's waiting 10 seconds. And then it's going to make a reply to the comment. So that's the private reply. Okay, can you confirm your email address below? Thanks for the comment. I got some properties to show you. But first, can you confirm your email address below? Okay. And so when people click on that, you can capture their. And so when people click on that, you can capture their email address, and SociChat automatically sends them an email with the listings and what have you, or and you want to set something up. I'm going to close that chat here, so you can see here. Close the chat window. There you go. And you'll see here that so that's the private message that I got. Okay, and this is the reply to the post. See that? Isn't that cool? That's a nice looking house. That's the comment that I made. And then there's the response. I sent you a PM here for the comments. Isn't that cool? So there it is right there. It says page responded privately as well. Okay. So I'm just going to refresh just to have a good look at it again. So there's the 3 comments. They're done by the author. And there it is right there. There's a reply. So if I do another one, I'm on another post, it'll do the same auto reply and same reply to private reply. And the private reply puts them on your bot list. So there's the private reply. And when they respond, it puts them on your bot list. And there's a comment reply. See, so it works. So obviously, if a person's making 5 or 10 comments on your Facebook page, you can turn this feature off. If you want to send a reply message to a user multiple times, you can turn that off so they don't get the same message all the time. Okay? Or maybe you want to leave it on.